Real quick before we get started, if you like these videos and you want to see them a day before they go up on YouTube, head over to LBRY. There's a link in the description. It's a really awesome alternative to YouTube and I absolutely love it. Hey everybody, it's your friend and your guy, Gardiner. I'm back with new videos, and yes, I am in a new location. I actually just moved. Yep, new location, haven't got the lights set up yet. Just got 2 lights going on. Need a 3rd one. I am aware of that. I don't have time to do it right now. So you're gonna have to deal with the 2 lights. Alright, so today we're gonna be talking about, yet again, Microsoft. Why are we talking about Microsoft again? It's because Microsoft are evil and they're doing evil things. So reports have come out through Reddit and some other media outlets that Microsoft is stealing Firefox browser data without asking end users if they even want that to be the case. This is yet another example of Microsoft not being able to be trusted. They have a corporate culture that is fundamentally opposed to the rights of the end user. And it's truly disheartening to see. And we've been over this many times. I mean, back in the 90s, when there was an antitrust case against Microsoft because of their unethical business practices with Internet Explorer, you know, Microsoft basically was forced to give up their market share of browser space. They were forced to do it by the US government, and the EU went even further. Fact of the matter is, Microsoft has launched a new Chromium-based web browser called Edge. Edge has been around for a while. Edge was its own bespoke HTML and JavaScript engine that Microsoft made in-house, but now they are, trying to port all this over to Chromium. And in the process, they're trying to regain whatever market share they may have lost. Microsoft was the dominant force with Internet Explorer, and now they're trying to regain it with Edge. First of all, I don't think Microsoft should be allowed to make web browsers, but they are, for some reason, and they're using Chromium to make their latest web browser. But what's really interesting about this is that this new version of Edge, is, they have pushed it to all Windows 10 users, or just about all of them. And a lot of people have skipped the intro wizard that pops up when the new Windows update hits your system. When it hits your system, a bunch of people on Reddit just quit out of the wizard, like terminated the wizard prematurely. They found that Edge has either imported or stolen the data that they had, like their bookmarks and their passwords and all this stuff, from Firefox. Now, I don't know about you, but I would feel violated if that happened to me. There's rumblings that Edge is going to come to Linux at some point. And if that is something that the browser will do, that's just yet another reason why I'll never have Edge on my computer. Thankfully, though, Edge is at least uninstallable if you uninstall or remove the Windows 10 update that pushed it. But still, I mean, if there's like a sync option in Microsoft Edge, well then Microsoft just got all your data, all your passwords, all your browser history, all your bookmarks. That's unacceptable. Microsoft should not be allowed to do this. And the thing that's like really interesting is people even going through the setup wizard have found that they're not even asking if you want to import your data from Firefox. They're just doing it. That's terrifying. This should be grounds for their dismissal from the tech industry, in my opinion. Like, they can't be trusted. Microsoft cannot be trusted. This is tremendously awful. I don't know of any other way to say it. Microsoft should simply not be allowed to make web browsers anymore. That's just a business model that they cannot be trusted with. And there are lots of business models they can't be trusted with, but I don't know. I'd love to know what you think. Do you have Windows 10? Have you tried Edge? I'm just going to call it Chromium. It's Chrome with a Microsoft coat of paint, so that means it's ugly. But I don't know. I want to know what you guys think. Do you have Windows 10? Have you got the latest Edge update? What do you think about it? Did Microsoft steal your browser data? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to know what you guys think about this. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your guys' continued support. I want to say thank you to Jim T, one of my top tier Singularity members, as well as the 115 amazing people over there on Patreon. Thank you for watching. You guys are rad. I'm really glad to be moved, to be settled in, and to be making videos again for you. And I wanted to say a special thank you to the tons of people who noticed that I wasn't uploading for a couple days and reached out to me in the DMs and reached out to me in email. You guys were checking in on me, and boy howdy, that made me feel so good. The fact that people noticed me, it meant the world to me. So thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day, have a blessed day, and I'll see you later.